Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to remove the comments and likes columns from your WordPress posts view. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress dashboard and make simple adjustments that improve the way your posts are displayed. This guide is designed to help you achieve the desired changes in about 5 minutes. Let us begin by first accessing the WordPress platform. Start by opening your web browser and going directly to the WordPress website where you host your content. Once the WordPress homepage loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you will find the login option. Click on the login button to begin the process of entering your personal account. This step is essential because it grants you access to your dashboard, where you can modify various settings related to your posts and overall website appearance. After clicking on the login button, you will be prompted to sign in. For a quicker and more streamlined process, select the option that says Continue with Google. When you choose this alternative, a list of Google accounts associated with your device will appear. Select the appropriate account from which your WordPress site is managed. Using the Google sign-in method simplifies the login process by allowing WordPress to use your Google credentials instead of creating a separate username and password. Once you are successfully logged into your WordPress account, navigate to your Posts section. To do this, locate the Post area within your dashboard. The Post section is where all of your published and draft content is organized. Here you can manage, edit, or remove various elements of your post summary. Focus on ensuring your view is as clutter-free as possible by customizing which columns are visible. When you are in the Posts area, your next step is to adjust the visible columns. Look towards the upper section of the post screen and you will see a settings option commonly referred to as screen options. Click on this option to reveal various display choices for your posts list. This menu allows you to toggle on and off different columns according to what information you need to see at a glance. It provides you with a customizable overview of your posts, making it easier to manage your content effectively. Within the Screen Options panel, you will soon notice checkboxes next to each column option. Locate the checkboxes corresponding to comments and likes. These boxes represent whether or not those columns should appear in your post overview. To remove the comments and likes columns, simply uncheck each of these boxes. This action will remove the extra clutter from your post list and help streamline your view into a simpler, more focused layout. After unchecking the comments and likes boxes, it is essential to confirm your choices by clicking on the Apply button. This final step ensures that the changes you have made will take effect immediately. The post screen will now update to reflect the removal of these columns, leaving you with a cleaner interface to manage your posts. Thank you for following along with this concise tutorial on how to remove the comments and likes columns in WordPress. By following these simple steps, you now have the knowledge to customize your WordPress dashboard to better suit your content management needs. Enjoy a more streamlined experience as you continue to create and manage your posts.